Yo, what's good, guys? We are back again. It is Tuesday today. There is no news. We are ready to hop in. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take trades from me unless you like losing money or just learning. So yeah, right now, we are clearly looking at price. We actually took a sell here at the very top, right here. Price consolidated a bit. Price grabbed the liquidity and pushed to the downside, which was pretty nice. And price, for some reason, just rejected. And this was off the 50% retracement. So what we were expecting price to do was to at least come back up and grab liquidity. Price looks like it wants to push to the downside probably, but we're not actually going to be taking a sell in at all. Sorry, I'm tripping right now, guys, because I got out of my trade at break even for this one. Just because it doesn't look like, it looks like price was probably going to grab liquidity before coming back down again. So we just decided to hop out, guys, and just to let it breathe out a bit. So it's a bit weird what price is doing. But yeah, right now we're just waiting for price to grab liquidity up here, and I think that's essentially when the expansion phase will be over, because I can quickly explain what's happening here. So let's go to the 30-minute time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, you can clearly see here, this right here is the congestion phase, phase one. Here is a manipulation. It could have also been this area here, manipulation right here, grabbing the liquidity from below, but we're thinking this is the manipulation, and we expect price to come back down just from the manipulation, just to the downside, and we just have to wait and see what's going to happen. Price does look like it could push down, but I would like price to first just grab the top liquidity. That's why I have some alarms set. For EU, it didn't go as planned, as we kind of got wicked out before price came down, and it looks like price is actually doing really well. As you can see on the 30-minute, it looks like it could be rejecting, it could also be pushing up. So yeah, we kind of took a sell right here because it kind of wicked outside the range, the 30-minute range, because both were in the sort of first phase. So we waited for the expansion phase, which I thought was right here, this area, and it was going to push to the downside for the expansion. In the end, price actually pushed up, came up here, whipped my stop loss. It's like I can smell my stop loss, and then push back down. So right now we expect price to probably push to the upside, grab liquidity, and then push down. It's very hard to know right now because price is just acting up a bit. It's not really doing what it's supposed to do, especially in New York. And we kind of expect price just to move a bit. Maybe with the EU, we expect probably price just to continue pushing down, because when price actually hit New York area, price started to push down. See the yellow area right here? As soon as price literally hit the New York open, price started pushing down. So it's pretty nice. You could also expect price definitely to push to the upside because this is an uptrend, but we're expecting price to come back. Just because we can also see on the daily how price is acting. Price really has just been going bullish with no retracement. So we either expect a retracement to the support area, you can say, if we're actually going on higher time frame analytics. And for the 4 hour, looks like, you know, it can continue to push to the upside. It hasn't even made a higher high from the previous high on the 4 hour. So overall, it's looking like price can definitely push down, but we just have to be patient. We kind of got out earlier. It is a bit annoying because, no, we didn't get out earlier. We got stopped out earlier because just price did what price wanted to do. For GU though, GU is looking a bit weird, honestly. It looks like price could actually push down, but we're just going to expect price to come back up, grab liquidity, push down. So this is looking very, very, very attractive to hop in. Because what I usually do is I usually bring my stop loss into 5 pips. In this case, I actually brought it to break even just in case price was going to grab liquidity. In this case, price is pushing down and rejecting the entrance area. So if I was to leave my 5 pips open, I would have still been in this trade. But right now, price is just looking a bit dodgy, so we just have to wait and be patient and just wait for price to continue to the upside, essentially, which right now it could look like price can just break down like this, retest and push down. And if this happens, we just miss the trade, you know, we just learn a lesson that not to take out our trades, let it hit our stop loss, let us realize how much we're losing. And yeah, we just gotta wait, we gotta be patient. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you guys soon and I'll tell you guys what happens. Yo guys, just the overall result of what happened at the end of the day. I took 3 trades today, 1 at break even. This one right here was at break even. Price kind of came back to the 50% retracement. I didn't really want to take the chance, didn't feel like it was worth it. Price came back up, you know, took another sell just here just to make sure, didn't want to miss any. And you could say it was FOMO. Could have just been patient and not patient. I could have just called it a day, but I think these two were really responsible trades. Like, I couldn't really avoid it. But for EU essentially, this trade was just not, I wasn't patient at all. Like, if I was to at least take a trade at least up here, you can just see that I would have at least been in for a decent amount, and I could have brought my shit to break even, so to speak. So I could have been down one less trade, and yeah, really overall, I lost like $52 today. It's unfortunate. It is what it is. Back to the next day. What I can see to improve is that price did do like a congestion here. And then you can say it did break out here with the expansion, but it's kind of too tight. It's too tight within the area. On the 4-hour, it is in an uptrend. As you can see, price is pushed up. It is in the uptrend now. It's pushing to the upside. So we can clearly see it's in the uptrend, and we just kind of got the wrong way. Kind of what I'm getting at. I don't know. Price just did its thing, really. You can say this right here was the expansion right here. You can also say this right here was the expansion in the 30-minute. And then boom, the continuation, and that's really how it could be seen. For GU, same could be said. Price was literally congesting, and then expansion. Say this is expansion, and then here's the continuation, or the trend making, the money making area. Price just didn't really do what I would like it to do. Kind of missed out on it, unfortunately, and price could come down right now, but I kind of got the best areas, and price just really just wicked me out. So it is what it is. Kind of got wicked out. Took 2 L's today, got 1 break even. We come back tomorrow, we play smarter, we be smarter, and we just really just back to just work more. Just work more, guys. Anyway, y'all, I would just like to say one more thing, which is thank y'all for the 83 subscribers. We are almost at 100. Let's get to 100. If you all want to talk to me, I was just in the Discord right now. If you guys just want to join a growing community in trading, get to profitability with me in the Discord down below. Peace.